this trade on the road with us. We're currently just down a few percent, 1%.
Type shit, 20%, gang, let's go.
Hold on, I just saw a sale over here. These are like chilling chairs. Nah, this is crazy. This is where it's gonna be when I'm trading and I'm tired of trading, or I'm annoyed at the charts being fucking boring. Good morning, my fellow traders, and welcome back to another live trading session, guys. We just finished our live on YouTube, guys, and I appreciate you guys for watching. I appreciate you, Tim. Now, we did spot this break and retest strategy on the live, showing you guys how it's done, and it's very simple, guys. Literally, look at this breakout. Most of you guys probably would have chased this or been like, oh, why didn't you enter? Here comes a retest, and this is where you want to enter, guys. This is where you want to enter. It's currently 8:30 a.m., and we got to go help our mom out. Got a lot of things to do, so let's take you guys on our journey. But guys, we just went live. Very fun, super enjoyable. But we got a lot of things to do today. We got a lot of stuff to scan. Now, my mother does need me to scan a lot of her own documents, all the sales that she has done this whole month, plus her boyfriend's stuff, because they're both mechanic shop owners. But anyways, with all that being said, I got to literally scan both of their documents, both of their sales records. So take you guys along that journey, guys. And if we do take any trades, of course, we're going to take some trades. But before we go, we got to freaking bust out some workouts. Now, I already hit the gym at 4 a.m. with my girlfriend at 4 a.m. Let's hit some workouts before we head out, and let's go on and enjoy ourselves. All right, guys, we're taking this break and retest to the downside. Now, I know most people will probably be like, man, this is definitely a breakout to the upside. Guys, it is my type of trading style. This is a break and retest strategy, but I must admit, pre-market lows is right here, and we still have to break that, as well as even NVIDIA is kind of bouncing at the support, as well as AMD has the potential to bounce. Same thing with the Qs at the 61.8% fib. But with resistance right here on SPY on the 1 hour time frame and the higher time frames in its general, I do believe we have a lot of room to the downside. But either way, we're gonna take this trade, guys. If we lose it, we lose, guys. It is what it is. I don't even care. First trade of the day and currently down $5. So let's motherfucking print and let's head out of here. So guys, we're just gonna take this trade on the road with us. We're currently just down a few percent, 1%. But we're gonna take this trade on the road with us, guys. We're gonna try to target a good profit and see what it does.
Type shit, 20%, gang, let's go.
Guys, we just caught it nasty ass 26% on SPY puts here. Nice quick $61 trade. And let me show you guys my orders. As you guys can see, we've been holding that shit for very nice break and retest, guys. We were live on YouTube showing the whole technical analysis for why we were even entering that trade, guys, and we entered it. So now we're here in my Honda SI, currently just picking up all her paperwork that she needs me to scan. As you guys can see, it's a lot of shit. So guys, I've been hitting the gym religiously every single day, every morning. Besides, I mean, there's some times where I'll just skip a day because me and my girlfriend are feeling too crazy. But we've been hitting the gym every single morning, doing crazy workouts. Even when I come home, I lift and curl weights myself at home. So what that calls for is an excuse to go get a protein shake. So let's go get a protein shake, guys. We deserve one. We've been working hard every single day, and let's go get one. Hold on, I just saw a sale over here. I gotta go get some. Couldn't pass up on these deals right here. These are like chilling chairs, and they were cheap, $37. Bro, it's a steal, bro. All right, guys, so we're back home. Long ass day, but look what the fuck I fucking bought. I bought 2 of them because I just saw that thing. And I said, hold on, let me get 2 of these bitches. I'm gonna post one up probably right here behind my trading area or in that area, or just somewhere behind here, to be honest, or put it in the backyard on the balcony. And it's gonna be a nice area to trade from, chill from, smoke from, all the above, guys. So we're gonna show you guys once it's set up. Let me set it up real quick. Nah, this is crazy. So check it. This is a pillow. You can lay down and it literally swings. It's a hammock chair. That's a really nice. Now there's a footrest somewhere. I'm not sure how to bring it down. I'm not sure if it's hidden or what, but there's a footrest somewhere in here that hangs right here. I gotta tell my friend. Hopefully he answers. Look at this shit, man. I'm scared to sit in it every time, but I'm not gonna lie. This shit actually crazy. This is where it's gonna be now, guys. We're gonna put it right next to my trading area. We're also gonna go over my trades real quick, but we're gonna put it right next to my trading area. So when I'm trading and I'm tired of trading, or I'm annoyed at the charts being fucking boring, I just sit here with my footrest. Finally got it. I can just sit here, watch the charts from that screen, because that's where I watch the charts from. See the Discord from right here. See the 5-minute chart on lower time from right here. Just kick back and relax, guys. And we finally got the footrest. That's what I mean. This is actually a pretty good spot to have it at. It's perfect. This is what our trade sale is looking like for this month. I'm not gonna lie, guys. This week has been such a slow week. Horrible price action on as far as the FOMC. Now, some scalp traders are probably gonna disagree with me, but hey, I'm a day trader trying to hold it for over an hour. But you guys can see 2 losing days so far, 1 break even or a small $0 loss, literally $0 nothing. 3 green days here, putting us on 120 for the week. But this is pretty much where we're at, guys. So, and guys, we're gonna bring back the doing one-on-ones. So we're also gonna do live chats with the whole group. So we're gonna do group chats on Sunday. We're gonna host every single Sunday a group chat, as well as if you guys have any questions, want to go more deep and dive, I want to have it so you guys can schedule a one-on-one. So if you guys want to do a one-on-one schedule meeting and you guys need some extra help trading, or you guys want to go over trading, or you guys want to get into trading, best believe these one-on-one spots are so perfect for you. So guys, best believe click the link in the bio, join the premium Discord, and use the premium code at the discount so you guys can receive 25% off, and then schedule that free one-on-one. As soon as you guys get access into the premium Discord, you guys can schedule a one-on-one with me every single time, whenever you guys want, whenever you guys need to, and we can go deep and dive into the markets and show you guys exactly what's going on with what you guys are looking at, with what I'm looking at, how you guys can get further help, where you guys should get to where you guys need to be, and all this stuff. So anyways, hope you guys had an awesome weekend. Hope you guys had an awesome week. I know I have not been posting any vlogs, but this is what my trade sale is looking like for the whole week. And honestly, I'm just trying to revamp everything, guys. So hope you guys have an awesome week, and I'll catch you guys on tomorrow's vlog.